420 Things Grow in Ontario. Welcome back to the channel, ladies and gentlemen, and another road trip. Where we are today is Montreal, Canada, and this is the headquarters for the following company. Exciting times coming for the channel and Rayonled LEDs. They've got some new stuff coming, and we're going to go check out that and their warehouse. So let's go into this. Is a company that does more than just grow lights. They've been doing LEDs for quite some time, and this is their main building in Montreal, Canada. So other than grow lights, they do residential, commercial, public area, and industrial lighting. So they know what they're doing. Hey man, how's it going?
Hello, my name is Mike. I'm the product manager for Rayonled Grow Lights. I would like to welcome the 420 Things family to Rayonled Lighting Systems, Inc.
Sweet. Hey, let's take a look at some of their indoor, their outdoor. This is their consumer stuff. They also have emergency lighting, and yeah, let's go into the warehouse here, which is normally for employees only if you can't read French. But they also have explosion-proof lighting. I hope you don't need that in your grow room, but if you do, I think you're doing some things wrong. But regardless of any of that, it shows their range of products. They're doing LEDs for many things. They know what they're doing. For example, like their warranty, they're testing their stuff, they're backing their stuff. Their 640 watt, their GLMF 640 has a 5-year bumper-to-bumper warranty. Like, that's great. But it's not on everything. You got to take a peek at some of their stuff. Some is 2 years, some is whatever, but a good chunk of their stuff is 5 years, so that's pretty impressive. I don't know of any other LED company that's offering five years. Maybe there is, but this company is. That's pretty cool. So what we're going to do is we're going to go over to their grow light stuff. We're not going to touch much on their growing tower, but it's pretty neat. You can check it on their website. But it's like a towering system that has, it rotates, it's aeroponics, it's pretty neat. It's in the corner there on the right, see it? There's a little small one here too, but yeah. So what you have here first is the GLMF 400 watt veg light. This is something you're going to want to use for vegging. These are all 4x4 tents. All right, so then this next one is the GLMF 640 watt full spectrum foldable grow light. This one right here is their GLMF 720 watt medical Par Plus light, and it is you can see this one's in a bigger tent. Oh, we didn't go over the GHB. This is the greenhouse fixture light that was in that corner. But this light here, this is their brand new light. Okay, this is the GLMF 760 Pro. It, as you can see, UV and far red are controlled separately. This one right here is just turned on just so you can see the coloring of it. It's the 2 bars, and then there's also a second knob here which controls your full spectrum. Ooh, there we go. So this light is not on the market yet. This is their testing light. This will be coming to the market very soon. I will have a new video up on the channel when this becomes available. And like I said, this is the 760 watts of growing power. And right on over to a full pallet of grow lights. Whew. Separate boxing, 1 box for the driver, 1 box for the LED, well packed in both, and you're not going to get any damage in shipping, but don't be alarmed when you get 2 boxes. Take a peek at this. This is an oven where they not only test their lights before they go out, but they cook them and turn them on so that they know that these are going to be in tip-top shape. They offer a 5-year warranty on most of their products. It's different from each product to each product, so you have to take a peek. But 5-year warranty, man, they're backing their stuff. It means they have confidence in their stuff, so they test it really well. Now that we've seen that oven, let's see some of the other equipment. It's pretty big stuff here. It takes the boards, put the LEDs on them, so secures them. It's kind of like a production line, right? It goes in one and out the other, and then I'm talking out my ass here. I don't know what the hell half this shit does, but or all of it for that matter. But it's pretty impressive equipment. It's pretty big, just like this company. Like, this is not a rinky-dink pop-up grow light. We're just gonna try our hand at LEDs and grow lights. They've been doing LED stuff for quite some time. They're doing a lot of research and development here. I really, really enjoyed this sort of tour of the facilities and see what's going on. I didn't even know that LEDs came on a roll of tape like this, but this is how they come, and then they feed them in the machine, and these aren't the ones for the grow lights, but as you can see in the machine in the back, there's a little roll, and it gets fed, and that's how they go on to the machine. So props to these guys and girls over there. I'm, really excited to be working with these guys and girls, and more stuff's coming from the channel. All right, guys. So be on the lookout for the next videos. Like, subscribe, and do all that jazz. Yeah. Hey, so why don't you go out and check out this company? Go over to their website. It's RAYONLED.com, and do a little research. Look at their products. Look at their warranty. They're backing their stuff. Guys and girls, they're standing behind their products, so let's stand behind them. Check them out. Take a peek.